Okay, hello and greetings. So, fair warning for today, I am feeling a bit menhara. So, I might just abandon this stream and play Final Fantasy or something. We'll see how I am in a few minutes, I suppose. So, in our last stream, we did a bit of rewriting the Dungeon Generator Labyrinth to make it so that the stairs are fixed, and so you don't dot around and therefore disorient the player. Yeah. However, we've come across another error where the rooms just aren't being linked, and this is probably to do with something else. So we're being spawned not at the upstairs, but we're instead being spawned at the place 010, which is the place where you get spawned when there's no, what's the word? There's nowhere to find the. No, there's no stairs found where you can spawn, and also, as you can see, you only have 3 rooms available to you, and this should have all of them. All of the rooms should be connected, but that's not what's happened. So we'll be fixing that. Also the bug where you can flee combat after the first one. I think that's just a case of setting a flag to on or off. So we've generated the stairs locations. So it's in this link rooms bit that we need to So we've grouped the rooms by their oops. As I said, we've grouped the rooms by their links. We've grouped the rooms by, we've grouped the cells by room, is what I meant to say. We're adding doors, but we're not adding enough doors. So, yeah. So, trying to think what I should do. Public bool. No, it's not public. It's just bool rooms linked equals new Boolean array 2D. So 0, 1 would be true, false. But then there's also if they don't need to be linked. If the neighbour's in the same room, then if the neighbour's in bounds, that's correct. That spam bot can go. I If the site room's on there, then no. Maybe. Okay, so we've generated all the cells here. No, that's in generate rooms. We've generated the rooms here. Then our... Oh. Okay, we'll link the rooms and then for each... I'm going to rewrite this anyway because it's a complete and utter mess. No. I is less than stairs length I plus plus. Then for bar j equals I. J is less than stairs length j plus plus. Create path between stairs I dot I plus 1 stairs I dot location stairs j location and block cells will leave new. No, wait, no. Block cells is going to be an empty array regardless. What if we did that? Okay, it's a bit of a hacky solution, but oh well. Like I said, I'm burned out. I just want the hacky solutions, or don't really care about elegance. What am I saying? Did it compile? Okay, I need to make it so if you double click one of these, it takes you immediately there. Right, let's see if I can traverse the whole floor. It might be that I've spawned in the wrong spot. Well, I know I've spawned in the wrong spot, but I've spawned in one of the spots that get determined as being hidden. Okay, so I can't flee here. I think it's because the thing is killed in here, so I just want to know why we're being spawned here and not at the staircase. Because we should be spawned at the stairs. Shit. Solution Explorer, where are you? I'm just talking like an idiot. It's still going. Oh, here we go. Right, so our current thing is on depth change. We can't get an upstairs for some reason. Yeah, so... And I think I've set the wrong scene as the main scene, so it's going to load something completely different. Oh, quelle surprise. Oh, now it needs to go into... Fuck. No, it's still... You know what? I'm half mind to stop streaming until the game jam and then write something constant on that, because the currently waiting this long to get something, you know, sorted is just unacceptable. I don't know why it's been so. I don't know why it's taken so long. It's one of those things where you just think, oh, if I was using GD script, would this still be happening? And the answer is probably not. So, I don't know, it might be that I want to rewrite the whole thing in GD script and then only use C# for the stuff that's needed. Problem is, there is a lot of stuff for the C# because you can see it right. Dungeon generation 0.672 seconds. Now, if you multiply that by, I think something like 50 or something, it's like it's something ridiculous. That's it's something ridiculous that's C#'s quicker than GD script by. I remember reading a factor of 50, but I don't know. Oh, who cares? Right, don't want it on this. I haven't made any changes, so why is it taking so long? It's just... Oh, this is just unusable. This is getting to be ridiculous. And just nigh, if not completely unusable. Here we go, general differences, blah, 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 blah. Generally in the same order is roughly 4 times that of GD scripts in some naive cases. So it's not 50. Don't know, where did the 50 thing come from? There's got to be something I can do to just sort of pass the time when... Puzzle Pirates, launch that and then have a go at playing that. SL bring Alton AFK, alright. Oh. Come on. No, this one. Alright, this thing's just filling up, so I can just wait until that goes and then, yeah. Was that? Oh yes, I wanted to make this the main scene. Not copy path, make main scene, set as main scene. There we go. Then we can go into here, and then hopefully we can look at this breakpoint. Okay. Here we go, get stairs locations for floor. The downstairs locations are here. Get downstairs locations for info 2, info 2. Right. Broken to watch. So we have our stairs locations. Upstairs locations is gets us 0 apparently. Downstairs locations does get us 1. So why is this giving us 0? Is it the same if I go to... What's that? Is it because it's the start of a biome? Hang on, let me check in. Okay. So I made some stewed apples. Well, I was in the middle of making stewed apples and then realised, oh wait, it's time for the stream. And then I kind of have to figure out stewed apples that is that there's this very fine window between them getting... Piss off. Okay, so getting the upstairs locations is fine. It's just when we go into a new thing, and yeah, we've spawned at 9 and 2. So it's when we... Have I put the branch transition in properly? Yeah, there's stairs here. There should be stairs here, but there aren't. Okay. But yeah, there's a very fine window between them being ready and being burned. So, but they are ready now. I have them in front of me. Leave them to cool down a bit. Right. Let's have a look at the depth map. So here's our branch transition. Transition depth of 1. Next branch is 0. That's not correct. It should be 1, and transition depth will be 0, the end floor. Yeah, probably just only have the 1 forest crawl just to teach the player how to move around and general orientation, and then go into the thing proper. Okay. Of course, then the transition would need, when we do this transition from one biome to another, we're going to need to somehow get a cutscene out. I've been playing through Shin Megami Tensei 5, and that was fairly cutscene heavy at the start. You know, a slow start, so I'm feeling a bit better about how I wrote the opening cutscene. Okay, so once we've fixed this next branch, so hopefully that should fix the dungeon. And there we are, we've spawned at... No, we're still spawned in the wrong place. How? Okay, next branch is 1, and then we... Oh, right, we need to delete the old profile because we're not using this one. We're using a copy of it, and we just need to copy the new one, I think. That is how it... I don't know, if we're creating the temporary profile though. Okay. No, we've still spawned in the wrong spot. Try having a look at the breakpoint, see what's going on. Okay, get upstairs locations is still not. What if it was depth -1? Oh, hello. Depth level 0, facing 0, location branch 0, target branch is 1. Oh, okay. So it's in this. Depth level equals depth -1. But then we want the depth level equaling 0. Branching depth should be 2. 2. Oh, right. Wait, hang on. Depth is 2, branch index is 1. So then we should have got the first downstairs location from the... Okay, so this is depth level 0, facing 0, target branch 0. Okay, this... Depth level 0, facing 0, blah, 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 target branch 1. Depth level 2. Why is this 2? Where's the depth level 1? Hello? This is really weird. Okay. So branch index start floor is... Oh, of course. Start floor is 2. Start floor should be 1 on here. End floor 0. Start floor 1. End floor 11. Right. Now let's try it. Okay, so spawn at 512. There's our stairs. Can't go there because it's... Oh. Apparently we spawned on the same spot as a enemy. Which isn't what we wanted. Also, probably should make it so that we can go up. Of course, the map is different. It looks like a map, but it's for a different... Oh, God. Frickin'... This is floor 2, right? Yeah. Well, this map's useless. Okay, so we need to get rid of the map, the profile even. Delete. And then try again. Hey, there we go, the map's fixed. I just want to, for now, reveal all, because I know the maps work. Okay, maps work. Hi, Wiley. Okay, here we are, minimap reveal all. I've just managed to fix the labyrinth generator, even though I'm going to rewrite the whole thing soon. Okay, there should be a route from the downstairs to the upstairs and vice versa. Looks like there is. Right. I think we'll leave the rest for now. Probably make sure that you can link the upstairs and probably some other thing on the map. Plus you've got these soul empty rooms here. I want to get rid of these. Anything that's less than that, just set them to void. Introduce a slight bit of danger. Right. Although I can probably do that in the rewrite. Right. What should I do now? Right. So that's sorted. And now we have to wait for the thing to come back. No, they haven't set sail yet. Okay. They've set sail. Okay. Let's see. Depth map template is on. Okay. Yeah, we sorted that out. Then this dungeon depth map though. No. What do I want to do? Oh yeah, check that I can go from the forest to... I'm going to go from the forest to the caves. And vice versa, it actually changes the biome. And then if not, do some changes. Okay. Oh, crap. What's this now? Parameter data.tree is null. What? If get tree current scene is dungeon scene, return dungeon scene, get dungeon node. Data.tree is not... How is the tree null? Oh. Hang on, I think I know what's going on. When we spawn them, we're adding them in, but we're not actually spawning in the stairs. Or adding them to the tree. Yeah. Notice the dungeon stairs that are being added to the dungeon floor base. Yeah, we've added... Add staircases, we'll add the staircase on here, floor interactables add. However, we need to add them as... yeah. Okay, that's fine. Add child staircase. That should solve our problem. Although, I have half a mind that's going to replace it with another problem. Whatever that is, I have no idea. Oh dear. No action. Here we go. Okay. We're ascending and we're still in the... We're still in the labyrinth biome. We should not be in the labyrinth biome. Five 13, yeah. And these stairs are... Can't get at them because reasons. Okay. This is obsolete code. Because it's in dungeon floor. Oh, damn it. Need to wait. This. When we spawn monsters, put that there. Oh, okay. Get treasure chest scene .instantiate. Got dungeon treasure chest. Then we add it here. So here, instead of being a new dungeon stairs, it should be biome dot get stairs scene, maybe. I don't know. No. Don't need that, do we? No. Where are the stairs? That's still going. Come on. So yeah, we just need to look at the tile and here we go. This. No, it's stairs. These are the downstairs. Okay, stairs marker, and then that'll just bounce up and down depending on which one we want. Okay. When I rewrite it, I'm going to make sure to put the stairs in the walls, so we don't get this sort of whatever you call it. That's still going. By the way, how's the static? Oh, sorry. Ah, Superior Rod, hi. Why is it whenever I see you, I'm motivated to continue making my own game? Yeah, it's just doing my job. Hi, Hilly, as well. Yeah, this probably isn't going to be a very long stream. Probably 2 hours instead of 3, because like I said, I am pretty burned out on this whole thing. Might just take the whole weekend off. Sound seems to be good. Ah, thank you. Yes, I was about to ask about that. No static. Yeah, it's probably the laptop fans. Basically, I just went in, gave them a good clean, because there's a fair bit of dust in them, and they're not so. Yeah, sadly, you're not going to work on the DBZ game for a bit. Oh, I see. That's unfortunate. Yeah, sometimes you do get blockers, and it's out of your control. Oh, fuck. They didn't even give me a notification with the... Oh, well. Right. Yeah, that kind of sucked. Yeah, because it takes so long for the C# to actually catch up. Before, oh yeah, I'll have Puzzle Pirates on in the background, just to, and then once it's going, I could just switch to it whilst I'm waiting for this thing to actually start responding again. But it's not working so far. Crap! What the hell was I? Where was I? Oh yes, the staircase. So we have the dungeon stairs on here, and then var stair marker equals this. Resource loader. We need Robux to hire people for any of our animations or buildings. So yeah, working on different games to make enough Robux for the DBZ game. Robux is the premium currency of Roblox, right? Okay, load that. Stairs marker. Yeah. Okay. Fourth time watching all the movies in the series. Oh, Dragon Ball, of course. Yeah. I'll admit I think I've read the I think I read the first 5 volumes of the Dragon Ball manga and then sort of lost interest. Paying with Robux sounds like such a company store thing, yeah. Yeah, I can totally understand that. It's like the scripts in Final Fantasy 14. It's all Monopoly money at the end of the day. Okay, so stair marker dot is upstairs equals that. Is upstairs. Oh, also, 19th of October, the next whole live game jam starts. Just in case you're interested, Wiley. So set markers that, and then there's a whip over. Is there actually any official way to convert Robux back to normal money, or is that all just a black market thing? Yep, DevX. Oh, okay. But like, I'm guessing that the Robux people take a fair bit of tax off it, though. Okay, so stair marker is that, and then staircase, add child, stair marker. 80%. Holy mother! 80%! They take... Wait, do they take 80% or do you get 80%? I know, right? Yeah, that is ridiculous. But I suppose, you know, if it's Roblox, you know, they're such a big company, they can probably take it. They take 80%. Oh, jeez. Lots of people are multi-millionaires. They could be like 100 million plus rich. If it weren't for that tax, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's just, whoa. 80%, I mean... They could be like, if Robux took like 30%. Yeah, I mean... So just keep thinking about 80%. It's like... It's just taking the piss, really. I mean, I suppose, yeah, if it is the only game, much, much, much easier, though. Yeah, I can kind of see where you're going. They advertise it as well. Yeah, oh yeah, marketing. That's the bane of all devs, that is. Yeah. Okay, so we actually have a staring indicator example of why Monopoly is a bad XT. Yeah, I mean, well, it's the same with that Unity install fee, right? As soon as Unity thought, oh yeah, we're the only game in town. Okay, forget about Unreal Engine for whatever minute. And then Godot comes up, and then however many game engines pop up, and then Unity gets spooked. They reverse their whole decision on the paper install. This dungeon stairs needs to be passable. Override is passable? Question mark? Oh, right. Yeah, for example, to buy 100k Robux, you would spend $1,250, and with DevX for 100k Robux, you would get $345. That is grim. That is grim, I must say. I just replace this with a bog standard virtual ball is possible. Get true. That whole Unity pass was funny. It actually caused other engines to pop up like Game Maker is no longer paywalled. Yeah, I heard about that. I'm guessing that's why Steam are so dominant. They just don't do anything. It's like literally Valve win by doing nothing. Because you've got Epic and their NFTs and aggressive marketing, shall we say. Right. That should make it so this main reason is because hundreds of millions play every month average, so lots of people buy Robux, but there's also a lot of games, so if you have a popular one, you can make 100k pretty easy. Yeah. 100k Robux pretty easy, so that's a... Yeah, $345. That's not a... That's a fair bit of change in some parts of the world. Hang on, that's... hang on. 345 USD to Great British pounds. £250. £257. That's a fair bit. That's what, half a PS5? No. That's like about a third of a PS5. Right, what was I doing? Oh yes, trying to test the new stairs. Yeah, for me as well. No, that's more than half a PS5, whatever it is on Pro Stat. Or maybe it's a PS5 Pro? I don't know. It's actually half. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I had one look at the PS5. I wanted to, you bought yours for 580. Oh, okay. I wanted to get a PS5 for Final Fantasy 16, but then I realised, oh wait, it's going to come to Steam soon, and lo and behold, I was right, so... Pro is kind of trash. Yeah, I mean, I have a PS4 Pro, but that's because I bought it, you know, when I only bought it for... God, what did I buy it for? It'll come to me. Okay, and so now we've got another problem where the dungeon isn't loading at all. So, you know what time it is. Let's watch this battle going on. I feel like those, you know, those shorts that have the gameplay footage from GTA 5 and you've got this guy, AI voice, reading some post they got off Reddit for a short. I just feel like one of those streamers. I'm just talking about something completely different whilst random gameplay footage in the background. Exporting a project in C# after switching at AOT can be problematic. Cannot assign custom node to memory in C# when using tool animation. Check for null native value before creating new empty C#. Oh, those. Yeah. I don't know if they're like a guilty pleasure or what, but... Running C# project is slower since 4.3. Opening the engine is significantly slower than previous ones, so is building projects along with that some notes preframe. Just noticing from FPS and processing monitoring. I also want to add that it looks like this program comes with a 4 Plus renderer, maybe it's Direct 3D 12. It's having problems with older hardware. Can you try following the same steps on 4.3 dev beta? Notice the same performance regression with a non-C# build of the editor. The system information line you pasted that you're using Vulkan. Direct 3D 12 is not used by default. Finish testing on beta 3 mono. Did Godot change .NET version or is it still 6? Strongly, .NET 8 is strongly recommended now. So I suggest upgrading your solution. That seems to kindly work. I also need to uninstall manually 6.0 from the PC. It seems to possess but more random transfer happening occasionally where it's still happening happily on Forward Plus. You mentioned something new from moving from .NET 6 to .NET 8. Weird. Godot upgrade to .NET 8. This is about a year ago. Oh no. Requirements .NET SDK 8.0. You can use .NET Info to check which .NET SDK versions are installed. C# has used mono instead of .NET to generate the plugin. Oh no, this is for actually building the engine from source. Need help updating to .NET 8. pretty bad. Simply choose the default used .NET framework from 6.0 to 8.0 in your CS proj file. No time for that. There's a fight started. Okay. Be able to free it. Here. Ah. I am so bloody rusty at this. Right. Oh, we've got a good... Yeah, the thing is that the engine's actually ready, and I'm doing something else. All right, I'll do this, and I'll probably quit Puzzle Pirates. This whole idea is not the best. So I just need sort of something that I can just do, sort of that passes the time, passing about 1 or 2 minutes at a time. I can't really think of any game that allows that. It requires some, time commitment. Yeah, I'm playing rather recklessly here. Get myself eliminated. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Right. So there's a CS proj file, which is probably going to be in here. Okay, it's on my right-hand monitor. .cs proj. Dungeon crawler.cs proj. Here we go. Edit with Notepad. Sure. Okay. Right. Yeah, you can see .NET 6. I'm just changing that .NET 6 to .NET 8. .NET 8.0. So if I change this 6 to an 8, that might solve everything. Save that. Okay, we'll try it. Interaction things upstairs, and then is our interactables. Unable to cast objects of type packed scene to stairs marker. So that's why we can't... Oh, of course. Instantiate as stairs marker. There we go. Right, then we're out of battle, we can close that. Not worked. Okay, instantiate that as a scene stairs marker. Now we can rebuild. Hopefully it will work. Or at least be a bit quicker. Okay, it's probably just building it for the first time. That's probably why. Okay. there should be a big bouncy up thing, and it should also be passable. Okay, that's weird. And it hasn't done anything. We're still waiting a while. Oh dear. Okay, so upgrading to .NET 8 is not a thing. Well, it is a thing, but it hasn't done anything. So we've got the stairs marker here. We've added it as a child. Then we've added it to our floor interactables. Let's set its position to 0. Because, yeah, we generate it here, and then it's in global 0, and then we add child. Probably the position of it gets preserved. That doesn't explain why the dungeon tile objects, these is passable. Why that hasn't gone through. Huh. Something I can... Okay, so we're inserting our links, that's good. But then the actual thing isn't loading in, maybe? Nope, still not showing, and it's still not passable. Okay, means there's probably something else then. Oh, I don't know. Oh well, we're gonna wait for this thing, and then we can have a look at our have a look at what it's looking like on the remote side. I'm not overloading interact through there. So this is still here, it's just that the stairs has the staircase and child. I've set the bloody... That is pretty odd, though, because I've set their position to... Oh, wait, no, I think I've got it. Staircase... Location... Position? No. Grid position. .x0 staircase grid position .y. Try that. No, the grid position's like there. Chest or grid position, just... Oh, here we go. We need to set its position as well. But no, we just need to set that. That's fine. Then in the... Perhaps it's the generator. Because I did remember removing the... Generate interactables, that's not called. Yeah. That's really weird. Okay, remotes, here we go. Dungeon floor renderer. Cells. A lot of stuff. Yeah, a lot of nodes. When I rewrite the whole thing, I'm going to use a 3D tile map instead. It's just so I don't need to use all these blooming nodes. Okay. Apparently this node 3D blah 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 only gives maybe it's somewhere else that has the dungeon floor, I don't know. There's the dungeon. On depth change. New depth stairs used, so we need to put something at the start of this. If the stairs used... Stairs used dot target branch does not equal current branch dot branch index. see how the actual thing's looking now. Well, it's showing, it's just not showing in the right spot. Is it the same with the downstairs? It is. Right. That's an easy fix, though. I think we do add to it instead of taking away. Yeah, I think we just add half of vector 1 to it, and then that should fix it. Hopefully. However, why are they not addable? It might be, actually, I think I know. Generate rooms with stairs. Then the stair, no, because the 2 stairs have been put in here already. Cell rooms dot add item number, and then says generate, remove that. But in generate room, no, for each start cell, we're adding the points here. So they have been added to the graph. But they haven't been connected. No, wait. No, because room cells have been added to the start cells. And then all of those room cells, these include the start cells, right? So why can't we go into the stairs? Why can't we move? Okay, player dungeon symbol. We need to find out, what was it? Move facing. Right move result equals can move. Which is in dungeon symbol base, yes, so. Occupy floor is cell passable. Oh, here we go. I think it's this. Ah, yes. I'll just get rid of this. That should fix it, hopefully. And it's not this scene, it's something else. It's... Oh, might as well go check on the broth. Still going. Chicken stock's coming on all right. Just needs a tiny bit more time. Still going. All right, here we go. Cecil, shut up. Cat's been a greedy bugger. He knows it's a good half an hour before it's dinner time. Hey, Superior. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Right. So you can notice the stairs, but they are a bit high. Plus they're mirrored, but I know of a fix for that. Yeah. So dungeon floor base. No, it isn't. It's dungeon. Oh, it's all the way up here. Right, plus new vector free 0.5 0.5. Sometimes I just wonder why I bother. Close that. Okay. So you go to the stairs marker. This is a sprite, though I can't billboard it if it's a sprite. Godot sprite 3D billboard. How to make a 3D sprite was the player, how to make an object move along the sprite for 3D, how to make Doomstar directional sprites in Godot, how to rotate sprite 3D messages in billboard. Billboard function should not spring on the sprite, should make it just look at you, blah 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 blah. There's a wide billboard mode in... Apparently there's a billboard mode here. Visibility parent. Process? No. Sorting visibility range geometry? Filter properties. Oh, here we go. Globally, no. Flags, billboard, here we go. Enabled? That should. Billboard mode is basically, it makes it so that the sprite is always perpendicular to the camera. As you can see now, if I move the camera, the sprite is always looking at it. That's billboard mode. But yeah, it's in sprite-based 3D as opposed to just sprite-based sprite 3D. And the main function of it is to just do those, what you call them, those... Oh, I don't know. If you want something that's in the UI but also in the game world, diegetic UI, is that what it's called? It's like those old N64 sprites. Yeah, kind of. Doom as well. Yeah, Doom, pretty much any FPS on the build engine or Doom engine. Of course, Doom is a bit more sophisticated because it uses a different sprite based on the enemies facing compared to your own facing vector. But I'm gonna do the right on. Just check on the off a bit. Oh, my chair's so creaky. It's ridiculous. I'm not gonna do reacts. I'm not gonna open up YouTube and do some react content. That's no. But I am bloody tempted. Oh, well, here we go. Okay, so we don't want to open up Player Dungeon, we want to open up this scene. Well, we could just open up the dungeon, but it's being a bit silly. I don't know. But yeah, okay, it's bouncing too much, and plus there's a I think it's bouncing a bit too much. Okay. Okay, instead of linear, we'll have it as circ. Set the move delta to... If we halve the move delta and double the move duration, how would that look? Okay, yeah, that looks a... No, I think the duration's fine. It just needs to not use circ. Or at least something a little bit less. What's the word? Drastic. Maybe have it fade out. Okay, we'll of course. I don't know what I can do. I think I should add a ranged to this as well. Okay, so move delta 0.25 and then we'll also move it up by about 0.125, 126, whatever. Let's have a look at these cheat sheets, because we're using circ, which is this. So we're currently easing in, but we should just ease out then. Set ease tween dot ease type dot ease out. Okay, save and let's have a look. No, not this scene. Ah. And now we have to wait for the whole thing to come back again. And just because I've loaded the wrong scene, it's still waiting a few minutes for it to come back. Okay, we'll close this cheat sheet. Okay. Wait, why is Banish called Holy Arrow? Maybe Paladin should have their banish and the attacks based off their charisma. It's like a sort of a number change. Okay. Want this one. Probably close everything else. Okay. No, it's still zapping a bit more. Let's So we need so that's like a normal curve like that. What if we did it quad? No, this one's still out. Maybe quad, maybe sine. Okay. I don't know. Quad, maybe? Or maybe the transition time could be brought down a bit. I don't know why it takes so long to just get around it soon. Oh, I've just changed one line. Not even one line, one variable. It's like this. Alright. I think the broth is ready, so I'm just going to turn the heat off the stove while I'm waiting. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's ready. Yeah, I made about a litre of chicken stock, so that's probably dinner sorted. Okay. That's because I tried to load the dungeon as is from the wrong thing, and that, I did not. I know for a fact I didn't make any changes. No, wait, yes, I did. I changed this sign to quad. Ah, this is the worst. Called with the object blah 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 blah. The all-speed spine is roughly similar to a constructor in blah blah blah. If it is defined with required parameters, the object with script may be created directly. If blah blah blah. Vaccines don't extend to unusually used scripts initialization will fail. Blah 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 blah. Okay. See also notification. Since given notification, battery goes to unscore notification, post initialized notification, delete, extension reloaded, hot reloading, blah 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 blah. Right. Okay. I still don't like it. It's like it jumps at the start. I put new duration to 1.5. That might help. Right, so that's the stairs marker done, and all the stairs, the new stairs, if you want to call them that, done. I'd probably... Oh, I'm going to stream 2 hours. I'll probably have a go at the rewriting thing. No, actually, let's write some more skills. Oh no, wait, I did do the tester as well. I wanted to load the player character's level. So hang on, instead of enemy level, we'll call it depth level. Then for each blah 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 blah, player character equipped skill on spawn but press new roll some of the add enemies. Depth level is this. Then party member dot active class dot exp total exp 2 level party level. There we go. Then if we, this helps us test scaling. So if we rebuild, this enemy level should be depth level and then part level 0. So I probably want to make it so that they've leveled up. They should be at the same level of depth, or maybe not, I don't know, maybe 3 levels. No, 5 levels would probably be so that you can face roll them. Like, if you can win just by using the basic attack, then it would be 5 levels per depth. So you can, you know, beat the game by excess grinding, but I don't know. Wait for this to get back. Still waiting. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we've party level 3, depth level 15. No. Depth level 3, party level 15. Now 15's a bit high. 5 maybe? So at depth level 1, because there shouldn't be any monsters in depth level 0 because that's the tutorial. So 1 and 5. I just need to make it so that we can... No, you should be able to face roll at level 1, so you can just grind it normally. I don't know. So yeah, these level 5, victims are level 4. Power attack is a bit more. Why are these ticking down? Right. That's a bug. Player display context menu. Basic skills, shown skills on here. Get no button on there, that's good. Battle scene. This thing. The skill button. Right. The override. Ready. Combat. Instance. Combat process. Plus equals. Combat. Process. That should fix that. Okay. Run those in. That's fine. There's still these action lines as well. And also the flea bug. Okay, yeah, you can flee once and then, okay, yeah, let's have a look at that then. Okay. Combat.cs. Right. No, still going. Here we go. Techniques. When you have a cooldown period for users again, limit mode is limits into there. Prayer technique limiter does not create a cooldown period. There we go. Oh, it's not that. Maybe it's because I'm braiding something, but there might be a bit shorter. Do you think? Maybe the switch to .NET 8 actually did something. Okay. No, the flea bug. I was having a look at that, wasn't I? Yes, this is definitely available. Fully available equals false. Okay. Yes, I can't flee. And yeah, can't flee. Can flee. Can't flee. There's the action lines as well. It's a different action line every time. Godot, what happens to the trees UI? Tutorial phase done. You mean the biome? The forest biome? Because, oh. We've got some infinite loop, I think. That's really weird. Forest biome is, yeah, it's just, it's going to be the tutorial. So I'm planning on having no monsters there and just say, hey, you can run around here. You know, here's how you control yourself in the field. And then when you, there you go. Well, it was right here, but it's not loading. Ah, yes, okay, right. If stairs use target branches, not the current branch to branch index. Oh, right. But yeah, the forest is supposed to spawn normally, but it just doesn't for whatever reason. Probably because current branch is null. That's weird. I think. Okay, we'll just comment this out for the time being. Close and reload. Here's the forest. Of course, I need to work. Why are there two? Why are there two downstairs? Also, I've been spawned in a closed-off room, which shouldn't really be happening. No, it's okay. We can fix that. Shouldn't really be happening, but it is going to happen, and then if I go all the way up here, create path between, yes, stairs, location. If j equals 1, create path between stairs I dot location stairs. No. New. I'm going to hard code it. Okay. Get the party member by ID and then, yeah. It still needs to... I still wonder why... Wait, what am I doing? So if j equals 1, if I equals 0... then create the path between. That still doesn't explain why there are two stairs going down from the forest. Unless... So here's a depth map template. Start floor 0, end floor 0. Next branch 1, transition depth 0. So there should only be the 1 there, but... maybe generate stairs locations. branch is less than... Okay, branch equals start floor. That's... Yeah. Branch equals end floor. But okay. J is less than branch dot end floor plus 1. So we're generating this once. Oh. We should... No, we shouldn't be generating it downstairs on the end floor. Okay. We are going to have to... Because this is a map thing, we need to get rid of this temp profile because it saves the map somewhere else. Because hopefully we do have access to more than 3 tiles. Huh. It just crashed. That's really weird. Yep, there's only a downstairs. Also ignore these guys for now. So now we need to work out, when we do go downstairs, we need to change the biome accordingly. So this is where we find the this. If the stairs use target branch, if stairs used is not null, and that is in brackets, current branch equals depth map get branch at index stairs use dot target branch. So that's when we're going down. If we're going up, new depth equals stairs use dot depth level. And this is where we're going up. If going up, then current branch equals depth map dot get branch at index. Stairs use dot location branch. Okay. Let's see if this works. Oh, still going. Well, guess we're building from here then. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go. No, oh. Oh. Items the active class get returned null. What? Oh, it's just doing this thing again. Okay, that worked. Hey, there we go. And if we're going up, it dumps us in the forest. Okay, that's that sorted. No, go away. Right. Shinri should start in the back row. So yeah, we'll start that out. Sorry, man, my question interrupted your work earlier. No, it didn't. It was, transition looks good, though. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it does. Oh. Now I've got two instances open at the same time now. Don't want that. Right, let's have a look at these, whatchamacallums. I've completely forgotten. Oh yes, the lines. This class here. Combat.instance dot combat ended plus equals on, yeah, okay, on combat end. Minus equals on combat end, and then private void on combat end. combat result. Visible equals false. Check if this works. Okay. Okay, that's all of them out. This as well, this yeah, the action thing, it doesn't match the speed of the combat. So if I pause it, you see this is still going. It's another bug I've noticed. Then there's the visual bug of also, apparently spells are free if you use them out of combat. Okay. Oh yes, the this thing. Turn order. Spells are free. Yeah, there's a bug that lets. There's a bug. You saw this when Flayan was casting his minor healing out of combat. It wasn't taken away from his energy. So, yeah, that's a bug. Right, this. Time left is a timer. If I just make it a float, get rid of all this. Then we rename this to combat process. Next action timer minus equals delta. Fine, I'll have it as a double. See how that looks. Actually, I can test it from here. Okay, so we have... They're not... Oh, I know why. Forgot to hook it up to the combat process event. There we go. Right, we'll wait for this. I need to feed the cat. In a sec. Ow. Okay, so yeah, I went downstairs and then I realised that I've been sitting bloody cross-legged in my seat like a bloody autist I am. And now just my left leg is just completely dead. Oh dear. Okay, so we've hooked it up to the combat process, so hopefully it should show now. Okay. There we go, it's showing perfectly now. And if we pause it, it stops. And if we put it like that, okay, so it does. Okay. Ooh. So this is being set to 0 for some reason, and then... Okay, let's... Why is this next action time being set to delays I, but this delays I is always 0? Wait, let me try running it at normal speed and then see what happens. Alright. Let's get ourselves into a battle. Right, so the first one's fine. Okay, so it's like there's sort of a lag behind. Okay, what's going on now? Oh, it's the trying to load this again. Activate action item. It's still building. Right. Okay, now it's all zeros. Oh, because it's delta, not next action time on minus delta. There we go. Okay, we'll test this, and then if it's working, I'll be out. Nah, actually, keep going till the hour. Not the hour, till my third hour streaming. Right. Pin temporary profile there and then open this up. Might actually play some Final Fantasy afterwards. After this. Depends how I'm feeling after dinner. I need another seat. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Oh. You excited for next month? Oh yes, because that's when you're starting to make a game, aren't you? I'll be your new disciple. Okay, so there is a bit where they're being stuck on 0, but I think that's because the time from one guy acting to the next one is going to be less than 0.1. Junior dev training. Oh, God. Don't mention the term junior dev. Oh, dear. Reminds me back when I still had a job and I was having to teach PhD interns, despite me, you know, despite me being almost fresh out of uni. And one of the guys I was training was older than I was. They just really chucked me in the deep end back there. Although, to be fair, I had a specialisation in machine learning, so I kind of like needed to bring everyone back up to speed. Well, everyone up to speed with it, because this was back in pre-pandemic days when machine learning was still, you know, hot shit. Now it's generative AI and what have you. Okay, so this is done. Now let's try and work out why spells don't cost anything outside of combat. And I think it might be because I quite stupidly forgot to add a statement saying spend energy. Okay. Oh, I forgot I turned the flea off. No, wait, this is good. I thought machine learning and AI related. They are. What I was talking about was generative AI, which is also related to machine learning, but slightly more tangentially. So AI is like a big field. You've got your symbol-based AI that was all the rage in the 80s and turns out to be a load of crap. Then you've got your stuff like Firefly optimization, Firefly synchronization, genetic algorithms and all that, and machine learning is just a subsector of that. And yeah, generative AI is a subsector of machine learning. There's also reinforcement learning, which is kind of like machine learning but slightly different. And yeah, I'll probably yap your head off talking about the differences. So okay, so they are free. So I reckon it's in the entity class. Entity. Okay, combat processes, yeah, that's fine. Reapply passives is fine. Perform action, here we go. Action time equals 0, action duration equals next action. If next action spend cost is then return. Ah. This perform action is only being called here. But then No, it's set. Oh god. I did forget the spend costs thing. So it's just this. Right, let's see if that fixes it. Right. Let's find ourselves an enemy. Oh, I don't believe it. Absolutely none of the monsters spawned have... Oh well. Right. Okay. Use minor healing. Boop. There we go. Yeah, and it does cost MP to use. So far, I think the game's a bit easy. You can basically heal a lot of... You can heal a fair bit. So maybe make the monsters deal a bit more damage, so... Yeah. Or maybe make healing spells just a lot less potent. Because currently it heals for 33, which is, you know, the entire HP pool of a Spellblade. Also, the Spellblade's HP for a class that's supposed to be in the front line, its HP is really low. So, yeah. Okay. Switch row should also be usable outside of combat as well. So Shinri and Haka should switch rows. So the player party. These guys. So Haka is in the front row and Shinri is not. And that should fix that. Right. Where did you? Oh yes, Haka and Shinri are in their respective rows. Okay, and if switch row is usable outside of battle as well, that's all good. Right. So before I forget, the next thing I'm going to do is set the Spellblade's health to 68. There we go. Right. Right, so that's pretty much all the bugs that I've noticed fixed. We're coming up to 3 hours streamed, so we'll probably leave that there. Next stream, I do want to rewrite the dungeon generation logic, if only to... Yeah, rewrite dungeon generation logic, because the current one I've got is just a complete mess to maintain. And then I'll probably write some more automata to generate different biomes instead of that whole type maze. I'll probably still use the type maze for like the item world, like Disgaea, but that's going to be in another build. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you soon. Ta-ra for now.